to the channel. I just want to show you guys my hair, just do a quick how to, what I did, how it's going. So as you can see, I have my invisible locks in, and I did it myself, so ignore the parting in the back, but the method is the same. So first things first, I did not dye my hair. This is hair wax, and the first thing I did was wash, detangle, condition, thoroughly cleanse the scalp of all debris and oil. After you clean your hair and your scalp, you want to prep it for the wax, and basically I just let my hair dry. I moisturized it per usual after my wash, let it air dry, kind of blow dried it a little bit, and then I applied the hair wax. After using this method here, after I section my hair and put the hair wax all throughout my hair, as you can see, it's still here, and this is like day 4, day 5. I let the hair kind of sit and dry, air dry / blow dry, just so I can make sure when I'm doing my hair, when I'm twisting it, the wax isn't, you know, rubbing off, or I don't know, because this is my first time even dealing with wax, period. So I wasn't sure what the consistency was going to be like and what the longevity of it was going to be like. So I was just kind of winging it, and I think I did a good job. I then used this hair that we have right here. I'm also going to link it in the description if I can find it somewhere. Aloha 16 inch, the color 530, Aloha twist 16 inches. Again, I put it in the description if I can find it. So basically I use the typical method, and I'm going to show you a video. Should be playing alongside me to show you the method that I use. I've seen different methods, but this is the one that I could do by myself in my head. So yeah.
Shit up, Kyra.
Yeah, it came out like so. When it came to the ends, all I did was a typical, you know, twist it up, and then I concealed it with sealed the ends with a rubber band. And I did not dip this hair at all. And this is how it's moving. I rate this hairstyle 9.5 out of 10, just because the way that it's, the method that I used, I kind of have it like twisted alongside a base. So the hairstyles that I do are kind of weird because it's like twisted downward. Other than that, it's pretty cool. It's low tension. It feels light on your head. You can sleep on it. I don't wear bonnets to sleep, but you should wear bonnets to sleep if you're going to use the wax, primarily because obviously the wax is going to rub off on the pillowcases, the blankets, and so on and so forth. But the good thing about that is that you can wash it one time and it'll come out. So the wax does rub off. It has been rubbing off. It rubbed off on my jacket. It rubbed off on my pillowcases. It just rubs off wherever you lay your head. So I did notice, obviously, the rubbing off did decrease as the days progressed, but still, like, I'm looking at my bed. there's still wax on my pillowcase. So yeah, I just want you guys to know and be aware of that. But yeah, you don't have to dye your hair to get the colored hair vibe. And I haven't seen anybody do a protective style with wax, even though I'm pretty sure there are other. I haven't seen any, so I wanted to give you guys one. So this is what it is. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Have a great day.